Hey, so we back at it again. Today is Monday. What's up, son? Where we about to go? Where we going? Come here.
At the race cars.
To the race cars? He already been racing. Look at him.
But I missed the race car.
Yesterday you missed it because it was too many people. So yesterday we went to the Daytona 500, as you guys could see in the previous video. And first off, we didn't want to wait in that long line anyway. So we had left, then we went and had fun at Dave and Buster's. So they ended up canceling the race yesterday because of the rain. So we are actually on our way right now to the race, and I got some good tickets. I got good tickets because, of course, a lot of people couldn't make it back because they already, of course, probably just took off just to come watch the race yesterday, and they probably either had to get back to work or get back to doing whatever they had to do today. So people are selling tickets for real cheap. I got some tickets for us for $78 a piece, and the value on these tickets are, if you could see that, thank you, Jonathan. So thanks to Jonathan, we got some $320 tickets for the price of $78 for a grand total of $156. So $640 in value of tickets for $156. That's why I told you guys yesterday, always be patient. I knew we were going to go back to this race. So we're about to head back to the race. Hey, son, come here. Son, my son like to hear my truck start up. Come on. That truck sound mean. So yesterday y'all seen me in the coat box. Today we gonna roll out and zoom out in that truck. So man, stay tuned for some good content. My son got us back at his spot that we was at yesterday. All right, hold on, please. Back here at Taco Bell. What you want, son? What you want?
Taco Bell.
What you want from here?
Cheesy roller.
How many?
2.
And what else? You want something to drink?
Yes.
What you want?
Soda.
Soda. All right. Hey, can I get 2 cheesy roll-ups and 1 small Sierra Mist?
Is that all?
Yep, that's it.
No, 2 cheesy roll-ups, and I'm going to give you a medium Sierra Mist. The happy hour right now is cheaper. It's going to be $2.50.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
So yeah, my son got me back up here getting him a cheesy roll-up before we go to the game. About to roll up in this car wash real quick. And man, just enjoy our day today on a Monday at 14:38, 2:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
360, guys.
360.
Hi, little one.
Say, what's going on? What you just laughing for? You better start saying what's going on.
No. Because I'm shy.
Because you shy. You ain't shy. Thank you. You ain't shy. All right, let's get back to it. You eating that cheesy roll up, boy? Is it good?
Yeah.
Made it out. Got my son. You know, we still got to represent that EOM, that extraordinary movement. Visit my website if you have not, extraordinarymovement.com. Hey, so we out here rolling.
Daddy,
about to go. What's up, son?
You put this hat in that box.
Yep, I put that hat in that box. That's your hat now, boy. Keep that sun out our eyes today. We came prepared. We wasn't even prepared yesterday anyway. We came relaxed. You know, relaxed too. Let's go check this race out. So, hey, I just need you guys to do me a favor out there. One favor. I don't ask for too many, you know, but I want you guys to do me a favor. If you're watching this video, can you please share this to the world? You know, especially share this to fathers out here, you know. because this is what it's about. And I'm not just doing this because of a video. This is what I do every day. Been doing this since I cut his umbilical cord and cut my new son's umbilical cord. So it's been grind 24/7. So share these videos, you know, inspire people out here. Show people it's a better way. Let's get back to people cross the street. That's why I be beeping. So we finally made it in line. Line ain't too long out here. It really ain't that long. Not like how it was yesterday. So we just out here waiting in line. We'll let you guys see it once we start getting closer up here. Let's get back to it later. Too excited. Huh? Yeah, I'm excited. That's what he was doing. So we got through the gate.
It's a police.
Yeah, police was checking the tickets. So we got through the gate. Like I say, thank you to Jonathan for these $320 tickets for $78 a piece. All right, son. Let's get to walking. Time to walk a lot of stairs. Catch you guys here in a minute. The airport. All right, pay attention. You're coming up. You better step up. All right, go. Go. Good job, buddy.
Daddy, come on that part, Daddy.
Yeah, I see. So we made it. Me and my son, we made it out here. Pretty good seats. The higher, the better. Get to see the whole track. And we're about to sit back and enjoy this moment now, man. They're about to start up the engines in about 8 minutes. And man, I'll show you guys some footage.
Of how we fired the engines yesterday in fans. We are getting the drivers closer to the point where they are strapped in, and we're now under 9 minutes of your help in resuming the Daytona.
You see down there where they going, put the tires on there. They call that the kick. The race cars be going so fast, they always got to get their tires changed out. But they change out all the tires and they do mechanical work.
Do you ever think about where it all began?
Thank you, race fans, for coming back on this President's Day Monday.
pay attention, man, to your car. Your car 41.
I see my car.
The red one?
Yes, I see.
Okay, you better pay attention.
Stay up there and contend for the lead.
Was that loud? You at your first race. Now they rolling now.
Breakers Lousey's going to have a hard time getting.
They are rolling. About to take us a quick break real quick. Go use the bathroom, go get something to drink. A little snack. Huh? Yeah. Yep, so it was an accident. So they didn't slow it down a little bit. What's up, son? All right, let's go get us something to drink, something to eat, or something.
Looking to become a three-time Daytona 500 champion, has been so strong. The winner of stage number 2 to help his
I think they got about 60 laps to go. But my son, he said he had enough. So, me too. It's a lot of laps they go around. Loud out there. They go around that track 200 laps. And they go around, I believe around 200 miles per hour. They average like 190 miles per 190 miles. Excuse me, 190 miles per hour. But on the straightaway, they get up to about 200 miles per hour. So we came out, got us a good experience. You know, I'm happy. My son got to see something different. I got to see something different. Trying new stuff out here. So we out now, back on the street. About to get back home. About to enjoy the rest of the night. Son, you ready to go night-night? He been trying to hang out all day. He's sleepy now. I know him. I know how he be acting when he gets sleepy. So, hey, if you guys out there, can you share this video? Do me a favor. Share this video, you know, with people out here who want to see, you know, their fathers interacting and hanging out with their kids. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what it's about, you know. Our kids, hold up for me. Our kids never asked to be here, you know. So, for you fathers out there who are making these babies, please be in your babies' lives, you know. So, Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement. Hit me up on my email if you guys have any questions. CEO@brandonmanny.com. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.